Joe. Yes, the recording is in progress. Woo! Oh my God, that was too quick.
That's pretty good.
Dang.
It dropped, didn't it?
In seconds. I'm sitting up there saying, oh, I'm cool with break even, blah, blah, blah. That thing just smashed. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
It's that 9 o'clock special.
Yeah, man. But wow. Oh, that was nuts. Perry said that was nuts. Yes, it was. That was so cool. Oh my God. But here's the point. Here's the point. Okay, here's the point. Every single one of these did exactly what I told you guys. Prices rolling below your moving averages. It comes back and does a fake move to the upside. It did the same thing right here. See? Same thing. This is what I'm looking for. These fake moves to fake out everybody. Okay? Trend line is touching. How many touches we need? Only 2 or 3. Okay? And 3 would be great. We got 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you get your candle close, look out below. It went sideways for a while and dropped. Okay, same thing here. This candle came down, sucked back up. This one came down, closed right here on a line. Spinning top right there. Okay, and I can make this a little bit tighter so y'all can see it. But it really don't matter because we need 3 touches. 1, 2, and then look right here. Here's the other one, okay? Now, what happened next? Candle closed. Price action is still below the moving averages. Look out freaking below. And it dropped. I didn't expect it to do that. I was happy with just getting out of break even. Oh my God. So let's go through all the pairs so you guys will see. This one did the same. Oh, I didn't trade the big boy. I traded the mini boy. Here's the trend line again. 1, 2, 3 touches. Candle closed below the moving averages. Smash TP. Okay. Let's look at gold. Okay. Gold. Here's where it did it in the opposite direction. Okay, they constantly do the same thing, guys, over and over. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, and let me kind of bring this down. Okay, so here's a touch, come down, touched it again, come down, come down, come down, touched it again, and we got a candle close above. That's when you know this thing about to head up. And not only that, this one smashed our TP. Okay, we'd already won this Sydney session gold, and then we played around. For those who took the little second one that I was saying play around with, I said don't take it, but if, you know, y'all might take it anyway. But even if not, you still won. Either way it goes, it was money. Okay, now let's go to the next pair. Look at that. Did I not draw it in advance? Trend line, trend line, trend line, trend line, checker, 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 checker. Right there. That was the candle that closed. Wait for our close below, and that thing smashed. Boom, 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 boom. Candle close, smash. 6J, that one went up on the Sydney, and we won that trade. Okay, look at this. Boop, 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 boop. And let me switch this one over to Sydney so it'll look better, so you guys will see it. I think I'm gonna post this up so people will learn what we're looking at. People need to learn this. Okay, so this is where on the Sydney session, literally it touched, and we got out of there quickly. Okay. That's what it did. We don't have a candle close below this line, so that's why I was still okay with buying it for the time being during the Sydney close. Okay, and literally it hit our TP, and we got out, and I'm glad we did. Look at what's going on. Whack, whack. Look at that candle. No matter where you would have put your stop, you would have got hit. Bap, bap. Woo, that was nice. All right, guys, so here's what I promised you. I told you that the next night, right after Fed interest rate, I told you it was going to be a good. Oh, somebody who made 500 on YM? Okay, good, Tasha. I'm so happy for you guys. Yeah, you just held it. Congrats. Yeah, good stuff. All right, so here's what we did tonight. We had a win, an official win on gold. And then we had I did call it out on the second position for those who want to take it on gold again. So that was 2 on gold. We won our NASDAQ trade. We won our ES trade. We won our 6N. We won our 6A. And we won our 6J. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight winners for tonight. I told you guys it was going to be a better night. Oh, that was nice, y'all. Oh, that was nice. All right. So anyway, guess what, guys? Peace and hair grease. And I'll see you tomorrow night. Okay. Oh, by the way, wait. I can't go nowhere yet. Hold on. Wait. Don't go nowhere. Somebody asked me the difference between the 5 minute and the 3 minute. Okay. So here's the deal. Yeah, I almost forgot, bro. I apologize.
That's
My
all
bad.
right.
No, when you win 7 in a row, you feel me, dog? When
Yeah,
you win 7 in a row,
yeah.
hey, yeah, 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 yeah. So 7 in a row, bro. That's something nice right there. That's something nice. That's something to brag about. So anyway, let me answer your question. So for me and the guys, you have to pick whatever time fits you best. Okay. For me, I've been back testing. And by the way, let me take all these indicators off and I'll show you something else after this before we go, because I need to show you guys this. Okay. Um, for me, when I went over the trades that went against us last night, like I said, and I go back and I systematically go through every single thing and say, okay, what could we have done different? Even though we knew it was going to be volatile because of the Fed interest rate the next day. We knew that. But is there anything that I could have done differently? And so I went through and I checked and I said, okay, all our trades that we took last night, the ones that we did get quicked out real quick, like in New Zealand, remember it had a little dumb little in the Forex market. Nobody even think about that news event. In here, it wicked us out real quick and then went back up. And I'm going to show you guys all the trades from last night. All of them did exactly what I told you was going to do. They all shot up. All of them. I knew I was right, but we kept getting hit on the little wicks. So what I did was I bumped the time out to the 5 minute frame using the 15-minute bracket. Okay, 15-minute bracket with the 5 minute time frame. And I said, okay, would that have made a big difference in our results? And guess what, brother? It did. We would have lost only one of those trades. All the rest were
Wow.
winners, but we will only lost just one of them that came outside of the bracket. Number two, this is another reason why I'm saying we're going to keep this game plan very simple, and we're going to start putting that thing right here or right there. Okay, right there. Why? Because that was
Okay.
the other thing I seen. We just had our stop a little bit too tight. So when that little quick whip came out, and we had it at half mark, which is here's the low. So for an example, if I was taking this trade, here's what happened. Okay. Here's the low. So what happened was, and you can see they tried to come right back. You can see it right here. Where did it wick to? Almost to here. So this one came close. But what happened last night, it actually came and wicked to the midpoint. And then it shot back up all the way. And when I say, and I'm going to show you guys these charts, it shot all the way up just like I told y'all it was going to do. Okay. So if we would have bumped our stop down to here, right to the right, like there, just a little bit, just a little bit above it for the buy trade. That means it would have quicked down and then shot right back up, and we would have not even taken a single, but maybe one loss last night. We didn't take many because it was kind of like a break-even night, which is cool because, like I said, I knew it was going to be choppy. But even with the choppy, we would have only had just one, and all the rest would have been winners. Does that make the difference? Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see. Can I see your settings where you can do
Sure, sure,
15
sure.
minute on the 5?
Yeah. And what I'm gonna do, I'm recording this, so I'm gonna stop because I don't want people trying to steal that. I just wanted to teach them
Okay.
this setup. Yeah, give me a
Okay.
second. Where